Today we are telling you a story about the squirrel and the brave little bird. There was a bright, peaceful forest. A happy squirrel jumps between branches of
I have bandaged.
Thank you, Squirrel.
How are you feeling? Much better, thank you.
I'm so glad.
Me too.
The squirrel and bird now live near the same tree. They look like best friends enjoying each other's company. On one day, the squirrel was too much worried and couldn't find her tiny squirrel. Tiny squirrel footprints lead away. The bird watches from a branch, noticing the squirrel's fear.
The bird flies high over the forest, moving from one tree to another. The bird looks determined and brave.
Finally, the bird found the tiny squirrel in the bushes and guided him to come back.
Thank you, my sweet friend.
We hope you enjoyed our story. Goodbye. Good luck, Canada Stories.